Hello friends, I am Rehana. Welcome to my channel. In this episode, I will be showing you how to make tomato dosas which are very crispy and tangy. Let's get started. Into a grinder, add 1 cup of semolina, half cup of all-purpose flour, a piece of ginger, 1 garlic clove, 1 dried red chilli, salt to taste, and 1 big tomato chopped, Kashmiri red chilli powder, and add 2 cups of water and grind into a thick paste. The batter should be in this consistency. Pour it into a separate bowl and add more chili powder if desired. Just add chopped onions and curry leaves and give a good stir. It's good to use the sesame oil here. Scoop out some of the dosha batter with a ladle and spread it into a pan. Try to make the outside more thicker than the inside. Now drizzle some sesame oil on the dosha. After frying the dosha on one side for a minute or two on a low flame, flip it over to fry the other side. Now take the dosha out into a plate. Serve with coconut chutney or a curry of your choice. I am sure once you try this, you will not be able to stop eating this. So please do try this, and if you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. See you soon with other simple recipe. Till that time, take care and bye bye.